If you're trying to install a tiny little O-ring around a shaft like this and it's hard to get it over into the right spot because it's very stretchy and springs out of your hands, use the old dental floss trick. People have done this to get rings off of fingers when they're stuck. Well, it works really good for O-rings too. Just going to wrap that around where the destination is for the O-ring. Then I'm going to put the O-ring around the dental floss, run that dental floss through the hole like that, and then this is going to help me to guide it over and pull it down because I got my thumb holding it down and then the dental floss pulling it down on the other side. Like that. I gotta go one more. Like that. And now you got it in the right spot, and now you can just unravel your dental floss. And you got it. Easy way to get an O-ring on a tight little piece like that. Hope that helps. Have a great day.